Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this microwave cake using Cadbury Bournvita Cookies, and it is absolutely easy to make. These are the ingredients you'll need, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first you're going to grease and line a microwave safe bowl with some microwave safe plastic wrap. And then you're going to take your cookies in a blender. And you're going to blend for a few seconds till they're powdered. And that's what you're looking for. Then you're going to transfer that to a bowl. And add in your powdered sugar. And the baking powder. And the milk. And then whisk till you have a uniform batter. And that's it. You're going to pour it in your bowl. And microwave on high power for 5 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, just like that. And then you're going to let it cool completely. And then take a plate and flip it onto the plate. And then you're going to pour on some chocolate syrup or ganache or anything you want to, or you could just leave it plain. And here is the cake in daylight, and you can see it looks so beautiful. And here I cut the cake for you. This cake is dense and yummy, and it tastes just like Bournvita, which I love. I hope you try this cake out if you want to make a cake but you do not want to bake it. Do check out my channel if you want to see more recipes, and subscribe if you want to stay updated with all my new recipes. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!